ACLAS TS6X touch scale is an all-in-one solution with weighing, cash register, and printing functions. It's integrated with comprehensive peripherals like built-in magnetic card reader, RFID reader, USB camera, fingerprint module, 3D face recognition module, image identification module, and auto-rotated QR code scanner, able to scan commodity barcode and auto-rotate to customers' mobile to scan for payment, with various communication interfaces able to meet different needs. With super big scale pan design, 15.6 high-resolution capacitive touchscreen supports sound induction touching, with 2-inch and 3-inch auto cutter printer for option. Patented quick dismounting design realizes display replacement within 30 seconds, with different customer display sizes for choice. With multiple mainboard solutions to support various OS, Windows, Android, and Linux. Comprehensive SDK is available and ease for third-party software integration. TS6X is an ideal choice for stores in need of weighing and cash register features, such as fruit stores, green groceries, bakeries, delis, and chain stores, etc. TS6X has obtained international certificates such as OIML, CE, EU type, and N type, etc.